Namaskar, Guten Tag. On behalf of the Tagore Center, Embassy of India Berlin, I welcome everyone to the 3-day virtual celebration of Tyagaraja Sangeeta Mahotsava in Germany as part of Kala Aradhana 2021. This 3-day online program is presented in collaboration with Arohanam. Arohanam is an Indian classical arts forum initiated by the resident Indian diaspora in Germany to promote and preserve Indian classical art forms. This is the first time artists of Carnatic music from different regions of Germany have come together to render their homage to one of the greatest composers of Carnatic Shastriya Sangeeta, Saint Tyagaraja. On behalf of the Embassy of India, our special thanks to Team Arohanam for their sincere endeavor to put together this 3-day program in spite of the COVID-related restrictions and lockdown in Germany. We begin the program by an ode to Saint Tyagaraja by none other than Sangeet Vidwan, Dr. R.S. Nandakumar. He will present the live sketch of Tyagaraja and a brief glimpse of the annual celebrations as it takes place in various parts of India. Please join us on social media handles of Embassy of India Berlin for the 3-day Tyagaraja Sangeeta Mahotsava in Germany on 24th, 25th and 26th March at 6 p.m. to celebrate the greatest among the music composers of South India and one of the musical prodigies of all time. Namaskar.
Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Rama Jaya Rama Jaya Jaya Rama.
I endeavor to give you a life sketch of Tyagaraja all along this video feature so that one would understand in awe the greatness of a Bharatiya Sangeetagara, the musician, his life, achievements and the awe-inspiring cultural soul of Bharata that gave birth to such an everlasting personality to influence and guide the music called Karnataka Sangeeta to this day. Santa Shri Tyagaraja lived between 1767 and 1847. He is the most popular, most prolific and versatile composer of the Kriti form of Karnataka music. He is venerated as a Santa Sangeetagara by millions, not merely because he attained self-realization through music, but also because he taught in his songs the enduring values of love of God and of fellow beings, introspection, social consciousness, responsibilities, duties, and so forth. All this great work are esteemed in Bharata, in Karnataka Sangeeta, as Tyaga Brahmopanishad. He is rightly regarded as the musical Valmiki. He is also the largest single force who shaped South Indian music. He is also perhaps the only music composer and teacher who had the largest number of disciples who carried on the mission and message through their own schools. Amongst some 700 kritis of the saint, a group of 5 songs composed in 5 classical Ghana ragas are the foremost and are universally esteemed as the 5 gems, the Pancharatna. They are amongst the most widely sung, as witnessed, for instance, in the annual Tyagaraja Aradhana, every part of our world with Karnataka musicians and at the saint's own Samadhi in Tiruvayyaru. The Upanishad Brahma saint initiated Tyagaraja into the Rama Taraka mantra and prescribed it to be repeated 96 crores of times. Tyagaraja is said to have done so and had the vision of his Ishta Daivata. He had a peaceful, long, rich life of God intoxication and of fulfilling of his ideals.
On behalf of Team Arohanam, I welcome you all to this virtual event, Tyagaraja Sangeeta Mahotsava. Talking about Team Arohanam, it's an Indian classical arts form in Germany, initiated to promote and protect and preserve authentic forms of Indian classical art forms, both dance and music. With more and more artists coming to the Indian diaspora in Germany, we thought of initiating this platform to nourish both art and artists across the regions. We will start the program invoking blessings of Lord Ganesha, followed by the very beautiful rendition of Kriti Chetulara by Saint Tyagaraja. This is going to be rendered by Stuttgart team, then followed by the very first Pancharatna Kriti, Jagadananda Karaka. Liebe Rasikas, Indian music is all about divinity and spirituality. So enjoy the upcoming renditions.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं गुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Namaskaram. As a part of the Stuttgart team, we are really happy to perform for Kalaradhana 2021. So I myself, Subramanya Shiva, is here to present you Chetulara Sringaramu. Chetulara is set to Raga Bhairavi, Adithalam and composed by Saint Tyagaraja. This is a Sampradaya Kirtanai presented before the recitation of Pancharatnams. The tradition was introduced in the early 90s by Sri Palladam Sanjeev Rao. In this Kirtana, Saint Tyagaraja ornates Lord Rama with decorative clothings and flowers. So here I present you the Kirtana.
Welcome to Tyagaraja Swami Sangeeta Festival Kalaradhana 2021 organized by Arohanam. Arohanam is an Indian classical arts forum in Germany, and Berlin City is proud to be a part of it. Today, the artists will be performing the Jagadananda Karaka Kriti of Swami Tyagaraja. In this Kriti, Saint Tyagaraja describes Lord Ramachandra as the bestower of eternal bliss and prosperity to the world and eloquently glorifies the values. Sri Tyagaraja further describes Sri Rama's divine splendor and pays obeisance to his heroic deeds. The virtues of Sri Rama is the essence of epic Ramayana that shines for its devotion and musical content. Among Tyagaraja's Pancharatna Kritis, this is the only Kriti in Sanskrit language. It is in the Raga Nata, set to Aditala. Enjoy this wonderful Kriti. Namaste.
Jagadanandakaraka Jagadanandakaraka
Samamari samamapa pamama pamamari samari sasa ni papa mama pa sa sani ni sani pa ri sani pa mani pamari pamari sa papa sa sani pamari sa re gama jagadananda karaka amaraka nijaya kumudahita paripurna ಸುರ ಪೂಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಯೋಗಿ ವಾಸಹರಣ ಸುಂದರ ತರವದನ ಸುಧಾಮಯವಚೋ ವೃಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸಾನಂದ ಪರಾಜರಾಪ್ತ ಶುಭಕರ ಏಕ ಜಗದಾನಂದ ಕಾರಕ ಸನಿಪ ಮಾನಿ ಪಾಮರಿ ಸನಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸನಿ ಪ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪಾಮರಿ ಪ ಸನಿ ಪರಿ sani pa ma ga ma pa pa sa sani pa ma ri sa sa re ga ma jagadananda karaka nigama nirajamrita japoshakani vishvairivarita samirana ga ma ri sa ni sa ga ma pa pa ni pa sa ni ri sa ma ri sa ni pa ma ga ma pa sa ni pa ma ri sa sa ri ga ma Jagadanandaka Indranīlamani Sannipāpa Gana Chandra Surya Nayana Prameya Vagendra Janaka Sakalesha Shubra Nagendra Shayana Samana Vairi Sannuta Jagadanandaka Pani Pama Pani Pama Ni Pama Pani Pama Pama Gama Pani Papa Ni Sari Sa Sa Papa Mari Sa Ni Pama Sa Sa Ni Pani Sari Ri Sa Ni Pama Jagadanandaka Pada Vijita Mauni Chapa Sabha Paripala Varamantra Grahana Rura Parama Shanta Chitta Janaka Jadipa Saroja Baba Varada Kila Jagadanandaka Sapa Mari Sapa Maga Pamaga Mapani Paga Mapa Mari Nipa Mari Nipa Mari Sani Pamari Risa Pasa Mapa Riga Mapa Sani Pama Jagadanandaka Srishtisthityantakaraka Kamita Balaga Samanaga Trashasi Patisuta Timadhara Nuragara Jita Kata Sarahita Jagadanandaka Sani Pari Samari Sa Papa Mari Sa Gama Pama Pani Papa Ni Sari Sa Sa Pa Mari Sa Ni Pa Sa Ni Pa Ri Sa Ni Pa Mari Sa Ni Pa Sa Sa Pa Pa Ma Gama Jagadanandaka Sajjana Manasadi Sudakara Kusuma Vimana Surasa Ripukara Jalalita Charana Paguna Suragana Madharana Sanatana Janata Jagadanandaka Sa 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 Ri Sa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Pa Sa Sa Ni Pa Ni Sa Ni Pa Mari Sa 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 Ri Sa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Pa Sa Sa Ni Pa Ni Sa Ni Pa Mari Ni Pa Mari Sa Ni Pa Mari Sa Sa Pa Sa Ni Pa Mari Sa Sa Pa 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 Ni Sa Re Ga Ma Re Ga Ma Pa Ni Pa Sa Sa Ni Pa Sa Sa Ma Mari Sa Ri Ni Sa Pa Ni Ma Pa Ma Ga Ma Jagadanandaka Omkara Panjara Kira Pura Hara Saroja Bhava Keshava Omkara Panjara Kira Pura Hara Saroja Bhava Keshava Dirupava Savari Pujana Kata Kakaladara Kaladara Grana Kara Sharana Gata Jana Palana Sumano Ramana Nirvikara Nigama Sara Dara Jagadanandaka Pamari Sa Ni Pa Sa Sa Mari Sa Sa Pamari Sa Ni Pa Pamari Sa Pama Pani Ni Pani Sa Ri Ri Ma Pani Pa Pa Sa Ni Pa Mari Ni Pa Mari Sa Ri Ga Ma Jagadanandaka Karadita Sharajala Suramata Paharana Vani Surasura Vana Kavira Viraja Mauri Krita Charitra Sannuta Shri Tyagara Januta Jagadanandaka Papa Ni Pama Ni Pama Ma Pama Gama Ri Sa Ri Sa Ma Ga Pama Ni Pama Gama Pa Ni Pa Sa Sa Ri Sa Ma Ri Sa Ri Sa Ni Pama Ga Ga Ma Pa Sa Ni Pa Ma Ri Sa Sa Ri Ga Ma Jagadanandaka Purana Purusha Nrivaratmaja Shrita Paradina Kara Viradara Vana Viragananaka Parada pa ma ri sa sa ni pa ma ri sa pa ma pa sa ri sa pa ni sa ri sa ma ri sa pa ma ri sa ni pa pa sa ni pa ri sa sa ni pa ma Jagadanandakaraka अगणित गुण गणक चेल सारी दलनारुणा वसमान चरण पार महिमा भूत सुख विजन सदन सुर मुनि गण विदित कलश नीर विधिजा रमण पाप गज निसिंह वर त्यागराजादिनुत जगदानन्दकारका जय जानकी प्राण नायक
Namaste everyone. This brings end to the video series 1 of Kalaradhana 2021. I thank all the artists from Stuttgart and Berlin for the beautiful rendition. Once again, thanks to the Tagore Center and the Indian Embassy for their support. Tomorrow, on 25th evening, we get to see yet another beautiful rendition from the Team Hamburg and Team Munich. Keep guessing on which Pancharath Kriti they are going to render. Until then, Namaste and auf Wiedersehen.